Being an LIC agent is not just a job. It's a career of opportunity, recognition, and lifelong rewards. In this session of our LIC agent training series, we'll discover the career path, benefits, and growth opportunities that await every LIC agent. As an LIC agent, your first reward comes from commissions. On every new policy, you earn a first-year commission, which can range between 15% to 25%, depending on the plan and term. From the second year, you keep receiving renewal commissions 7.5% in the second and third years and 5% from the fourth year onwards. That means your income grows even when you are not actively selling because past work keeps rewarding you. And if you maintain good performance in minimum policies, persistency, and premium, you also qualify for a bonus commission, up to 40% extra on your first year commission. This is like a reward for consistent quality. Even in the unfortunate event of an agent's death, the renewal commission continues to the family or nominee. Truly, your work takes care of your loved ones as well. There's another powerful long-term benefit that many new agents don't know about: gratuity. After completing 15 qualifying years as an LIC agent, you become eligible for gratuity. It is calculated as half a month's average renewal commission of the last 12 months for every completed year of service, subject to the current maximum ceiling. This gratuity is paid when an agent retires at age 60 or if the agency is terminated after 15 years. In case of an agent's death after 15 years of service, the amount is payable to the nominee. This makes agency not just a career of commissions, but also one that gives you a retirement cushion, like salaried employees receive. Beyond commissions, LIC takes care of its agents with powerful secondary benefits. Group term and accidental insurance. Coverage up to 33 lakhs rupees for top-level corporate club members. Guest house facilities. All over India at concessional rates. Office allowances, telephone reimbursements, diaries, magazines, and recognition badges for higher club members. These benefits not only give you financial security but also a sense of pride in being associated with India's most trusted insurance brand. If you are a new agent, LIC provides special schemes to help you get started. In your first 6 months, if you sell 15 policies with an average premium of 3,000 rupees, you earn a cash reward of 1,000 rupees. In the first year, higher rewards are available: 2,000 rupees for 30 policies, 3,000 rupees for 50 policies, and up to 5,000 rupees for 100 policies. There are also special stipend programs to support new agents in their early years. City career agents can earn a stipend of 6,000 rupee per month in their first year. Rural career agents receive 5,000 rupee per month in the first year and 4,000 rupee per month in the second year. And for women, LIC has introduced the powerful Bima Sakhi program where women between 18 and 70 years can earn a stipend of 7,000 rupee per month in the first year, 6,000 rupees in the second year, and 5,000 rupees in the third year in addition to commissions. This makes Bima Sakhi one of the most supportive initiatives, giving women financial independence, recognition, and flexible working opportunities while serving their community. One of the most prestigious aspects of being an LIC agent is the club membership ladder. You start with Distinguished Club. Then move up to branch managers, divisional managers, zonal managers, chairman's club. And finally, the elite galaxy and corporate clubs. Each step comes with higher benefits, from larger insurance coverage to housing loan schemes, higher allowances, guest house privileges, and invitations to exclusive conventions. Each step in this ladder comes with greater rewards, from higher insurance coverage, housing loan schemes, and office allowances to guest house privileges, conventions, and above all, recognition and respect in the LIC family. For example, to qualify for the Chairman's Club, you need at least 30 lives per year, 2 lakhs rupees first year commission, and strong renewal persistency. And the benefits are substantial and clearly defined. Group Mediclaim, Family Floater. 5 lakhs rupees with the premium shared 50-50 between LIC and the agent. Spouse premium is borne by the agent and cover is allowed up to age 85. Group Term Insurance Memento. 4 lakhs rupees. Office allowance. 35,000 rupee per year with scope to go up to 1 lakh rupee per year as per rules. Housing loan eligibility. 40 lakhs rupee total, 18.50 lakh rupees at 5%, basic, plus 21.50 lakh rupees at 9.5%, extended. Interest-free four-wheeler advance. Up to 9 lakhs rupees for Chairman's Club. Guest house privileges. At LIC guest houses across India, at staff equivalent rates. These aren't just perks. They are tools, recognition, and real financial support that signal you've entered the top tier of LIC producers. This is just one example. Higher clubs like Galaxy and Corporate offer even bigger benefits and recognition. We'll be covering the full details of all club memberships in a separate dedicated video. Club membership is not just about money, it is about recognition, respect, and status in the LIC family. For agents with big dreams, there is the MDRT $1 Million Roundtable. This is a global recognition, respected in more than 70 countries. For MDRT 2026, the requirement is 11.32 lakhs rupees in first-year commission or 45.30 lakhs rupees in first-year premium. For COT, Court of the Table, the target triples. For TOT, top of the table, it's 6 times the MDRT. Reaching MDRT is a matter of pride. It gives you international recognition, exclusive events, and the chance to network with the world's best advisors. Your career doesn't end with selling policies. High-performing agents can be absorbed as development officers, leading a team of agents with a steady salary and additional incentives. Some agents even join LIC as staff members, moving into administrative or leadership roles. So, with dedication, you can move from being an agent to becoming a respected manager or leader within the corporation. As you can see, being an LIC agent is not just about selling insurance, it's about building a career with financial rewards, security, recognition, and opportunities for growth. Whether you dream of financial freedom, global recognition like MDRT, or a stable career path as a development officer, the journey begins here with you. This is your chance to make a difference in people's lives and to build your own success story with LIC. Now that you know the career opportunities, the next step is learning the products. In the next episode of this series, we'll cover the starter pack plans every agent must master. This session will be your product knowledge foundation. So don't forget to subscribe now and hit the bell icon so you won't miss it.